According to legend, silk production began in the Fergana Valley for more than 4,000 years, ranking as the world's third biggest silk producer. Uzbekistan harvests some 25,000 tons of raw cocoon annually. In the right time, the masters release the cocoons and dissolve the protective layer in boiling water to soften and dissolve the gum that is holding the cocoon together. Each thread is then carefully reeled from the cocoon in individual long threads. When the silk threads have been washed and degummed, they will be bleached and dried before dyeing them with natural resources found in the surrounding environment, such as fruit or indigo plant leaves. Weaving is the last process in which the final piece of silk comes together. Generally, weaving involves interlacing two sets of threads so that they lock around each other and create a strong, uniform piece of fabric.